Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
In this video, I will show you how to make eggs like Gordon Ramsay. Start by cracking 3 fresh eggs directly into a cold non-stick pan. Add 1 tablespoon of cold butter alongside the eggs. Place the pan on medium-high heat and immediately begin stirring with a rubber spatula. This method ensures a creamy texture from the very beginning. The secret to perfect scrambled eggs is mastering heat control. Stir the eggs continuously for about 30 seconds while on the heat. Then, remove the pan from the heat for 10 seconds, continuing to stir. Repeat this on and off process for approximately 3 minutes. This gentle cooking prevents the eggs from overcooking and becoming rubbery, creating a beautifully soft curd. Just before the eggs are fully set, when they still look slightly runny, remove the pan completely from the heat. This is the crucial moment for achieving that signature creaminess. Stir in 1 teaspoon of crème fraîche or a similar dairy product. This addition stops the cooking process and adds a luxurious, silky texture. Season generously with salt and freshly ground black pepper. To complete your Gordon Ramsay-style scrambled eggs, finely chop some fresh chives. Sprinkle these vibrant green herbs over your perfectly cooked eggs for a burst of flavor and color. Serve your creamy, delicious eggs immediately on a slice of toasted sourdough bread. This simple yet elegant dish is sure to impress, bringing a touch of gourmet to your breakfast.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.